All right, before you open your front plate, undo this cap and make sure your red dot is away from your red dot. That means your valve is closed. All right, we're going to install the coil tube from the sight glass to the fill tank. First side goes here. There's a flat on flat surface, so a little dead end. Second spot is just bend it out a little bit and it goes right here past. Simply tighten them up. Perfect. This is to install the reservoir tank on top of your unit. Get a good lifting method. You can go around the body or you can hook into the lifting eyes. We're going to use a 3/4 inch wrench to loosen your 4 bolts to open up your unit. Go ahead and take it off. Perfect, and also make sure you have your inlet opened up. You're going to use a 15/16 wrench. Should be already loose. 15/16 wrench. Next, make sure you have your washers and nylocks for your other 15/16 bolts off 1, 2, 3, 4 positions to receive. Leave one washer on. We're going to go ahead and bring our tank over, install it. Might have to hold that.
Mm-hmm. There we go. A little bit more. Yeah, we're good. Lined up.
All right. Once you got your 4 units lined up and you're starting to get close to getting your valve lined up, go ahead and put your nuts and washers.
Might want to lock that too.
Yeah, we'll get all that before we move it a little bit more.
All right. Good. You need to come back a little bit. Come back.
Is it better? Got it? All right, let's get those snug.
Yeah, I don't think that plate's level. It's not.
How deep am I? All the way?
No,
Or is
no,
it-
close.
There's something wrong with this nut. Yeah, let me use this just because it's.
Now it's shut down.
Yeah, hold it there. A little bit more. And just get in here and just make sure you're sealing. Make sure everything is tight before you remove your unit. Tighten all your bolts down. And over here, we like to maintain a gap. Make an even maintained gap on all four sides. We're going to install the main connections. First things first, use a 3/4 inch ratchet socket, whatever you got available. You'll remove the all the nuts off the top. There should be a total of 3. Remove those. Then you'll simply remove your yellow clamps. Remove your cover plate. Verify oil seal is clean, free of debris, and then you're going to insert your unit.
Yeah, just a hair lower.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, I got it here, Marino. And just crank your way, crank my way a little bit. Alright, and now back it up a hair, but don't go too far back into the crane. A little bit more.
Got stand up on this thing? Got stand right there? Hey, shake.
Alright, now we're going to lower it down real slow, Marino. Alright, hold for a minute. Alright, bring it down nice and slow.
Trying to hold these bolts.
Alright, once you get it totally in, a little bit more, keep your safety strap up. We will now put all yellow clamps.
Every single one, right?
You guys got the unit, hold that for real quick. And I'm gonna grab a 3/4 wrench too, just big socket.
You need me to go grab a 3/4 inch wrench?
Yeah, maintenance right there will have a 3/4. Make sure they're all on there, nice and hand tight. Thin, just like any pattern. do a cross-directional pattern, tighten them down until they're all snug. So you get in here and you'll notice when you get them fully sealed down, the gap between the yellow piece will be now totally gone. Perfect. Once you got them fully tightened down, you can then remove your strap. And then you're going to repeat on the other two connection points.
So on this one here, you got a 3/4 inch wrench for your 3/4 inch bolts. You'll slide them through your top. They thread into your moisture trap. And you use a 3/4 inch wrench because you can only get that in there. So you just slide it up, make sure your rubber gasket's on there. And then just get one start at a time. Once you get them all hand tight, you use your 3/4 inch wrench to tighten them down. And remember, there's plastic down there, but you want to suck that gasket down, seal it off.
Oh, you're talking about. Yeah, let's go. It's like an inch up there.
And once you get all four of them tight, just go ahead and check them again and make sure they didn't loosen up. Being that you have a rubber gasket on there, sometimes the other one will loosen just a little bit. And there you go, it's so good.
Yeah.
Alright, if you bring it down a hair. Where you dose at that so it warns you.
At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.